Good morning, students. Welcome to all of you in online class. Students, in the last session, I explained the chapter Tsunami. Now, I will write word meaning of the chapter and question answer. So, students, be careful and pay attention on board. Write it clearly. The chapter is the tsunami. First of all, I will write word meaning of the chapter. The first word is archipelago. Archi Archipelago means a group of island. A group of island. The next word is tremors. सेम मीनिंग क्या होगी? जर्क यानी झटका दे दे. नेक्स्ट मीनिंग इज रिसीड. रिसीड. रिसीड मीन्स कैचिंग. कैचिंग मीन्स किसी चीज को पकड़ते हुए. नेक्स्ट अपरूटेड. अपरूट का मतलब समझ गए होंगे, किसी भी चीज को उखाड़ के फेंक देना. अपरूटेड पेड़ों को उखाड़ के फेंक देना. पुल डाउन यानी अपनी जगह से उसको आउट कर देना, खींच लेना. नेक्स्ट है ट्रोमेटाइज्ड. ट्रोमेटाइज्ड. ट्रोमेटाइज्ड मीन्स shocked and distressed. Shocked and distressed. The next word meaning is hysterical. Hysterical. Agitated. Agitated. That means उन्माद. Terrifying. Terrifying. Terrify means frightening. Frighteni. Frightening, डरावनी. नेक्स्ट है abandon. Abandoned. Abandoned means left, छूटा हुआ. एंड लास्ट वर्ड मीनिंग है perished. Perished का मतलब होता है mingled into dust, destroy. Mingle into dust or destroyed. So students, these are the word meaning of the chapter the tsunami. Students, now we will write question answer of this chapter. So students, first question of the chapter is working with the text. Working with the text. So students, write down first question. Students, the first question is that question number first. When he felt the earthquake. When he felt the earthquake, do you think? Do you think Ignatius immediately worried about a tsunami? Give reason for your answer. Give reason for your answer. Which sentence in the text? Which sentence in the text tells you that student क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा लंबा है. Tells you that the Ignatius family did not Ignatius family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action. After the tsunami struck. This was the question. Students, write down answer of this question. Students, answer of this question is such that answer number first. No, Ignatius did not think about the tsunami. He thought that it was just an earthquake. So he took the television off the table and put it on the ground. His family did not have time to discuss and plan their course of action. The following sentence tells about the chores and confusion. Two of his children caught hold of the hand hold of the hands of their mother, hands of their mother, so father, mother's father, and mother's brother, and mother's brother, and rush in and rushed in the opposite direction, in the opposite direction. स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट में लिखा हुआ है एंड रस्ट इन द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, ठीक है ना, रस्ट इन द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन। सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये आपका क्वेश्चन रहा। जो बचे हुए क्वेश्चन है इसकी पिक आपको सेंड कर दी जाएगी। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे, टेक केयर ऑफ।